Hi! Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Matcha Macadamia Cookie Blossoms. I added a little twist to traditional Kisses chocolate blossom cookies and make it healthier and more festive. Green color of matcha is perfect for holidays. So let's get baking! So I'm gonna start with making oat flour. Here I'm gonna use regular rolled oats, but you can use any oatmeal you have in your pantry. So let's blend oatmeal in a food processor to make our oatmeal flour. We're gonna use 100 grams of oats, which is about 1 cup of oats. Transfer the oatmeal flour to a mixing bowl. Add 60 grams of almond flour, which is about 1/2 cup. Add 3 teaspoons of matcha powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, big pinch of salt. Salt is important to enhance the sweetness of the cookie. Give it a good stir and set aside. In a different bowl, we are gonna add wet ingredients. In a bowl, we are gonna add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Make sure to melt the coconut oil before use. Add 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. Mix really well until everything is emulsified. Now it's time to combine wet ingredients and dry ingredients. Using the spatula, gently fold in everything. Once dough gets crumbly but sticky enough to form the shape, it's time to move on to the next step. So recipe makes 16 small cookies. Now divide the dough into 16 parts. So now it's time to move on to the baking tray. Place the parchment paper on top. We're gonna roll out each 1/16th part of the dough. Take a dough and make it into small balls. The dough is a little bit crumbly, so make sure to press gently to form the ball. Next, we are gonna add macadamia nuts on top. Place the nuts on the top of the bowl and press in gently. Press the excess dough in to make it into a small circle. Here, I use salted and roasted macadamia nuts because that's what I can find at my nearest grocery store, but if possible, I recommend to use raw and unsalted kind. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for 10 minutes. Once they come out of the oven, cool it completely. And it's time to enjoy the cookies. This is a super easy recipe and I hope you enjoyed it. Also, this is a perfect recipe for holidays because, sending a love with your healthy cookie is the perfect thing you can present to the people. So if you enjoyed cooking with me, give it a like and subscribe. And see you in the next one. Bye!